welcome to my 2020 spring semester college morning routine. Just wanted to take you guys along pretty much vlog style. Like, I don't have the capacity to set up my camera and my tripod all over my room, and I know the lighting wouldn't be great, and so this camera, the little camera, is what I had to use to just show you guys my real morning routine. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I wake up at 6:25, 6:30 a.m. because I have an 8 a.m. class and I want at least an hour to get ready and to have my morning routine. Tuesdays and Thursdays I wake up closer to 7 because my class isn't until 9:30 a.m. so I have a little bit more time in the morning still, and so I actually filmed this morning routine on a Tuesday so that I would have more time in the morning to film it. Just giving you some context there, I do wake up early the majority of the week, which is like 6:30ish, and it is dark out and it is cold and it sucks getting out of bed, but I just keep telling myself, you can do it, Hannah, you got this. Climb down, don't go back to bed, put on your robe, get cozy, and stay awake. And then by the time the sun comes up, like right about now, I'm doing much better and I can normally like carry on. Just, I understand waking up when it's dark out sucks, but you know, there's also like some peace and quiet first thing in the morning that I really enjoy. When you know, especially on a college campus, most people around you aren't awake. There's just something nice I like about that, and that's why I do love mornings once I get up and going. So anyway, enough for this intro. I am going to get started getting ready and showing you my 2020 pretty healthy. I'm not like working out and stuff. I don't have time for that in the mornings with school, but I try to make it a healthy morning routine. Okay, I'm going to, oh gosh, I can't even see. I'm gonna make my coffee now, and I try to drink at least half of this of water, if not all the way full, first thing in the morning. You know, if it's like, when I wake up at 6:30, I don't like to drink coffee till maybe like 7:15ish, because I just feel like first thing in the morning I need some water in my system. So sometimes while I do my devotionals, I'll just drink water. If it's later in the day, I'll drink some coffee. Pretty simple to make. I started using my Vital Proteins collagen creamer again, and it is just the best. I seriously see a difference in my skin when I use this. When I came back to school, I was very broken out with uneven skin tone, and I didn't know what it was. I think it's because I wasn't drinking this in my coffee over break. So the unflavored one is good too if you don't want any extra, if you don't want like the extra calories and flavoring, but this coconut one is my favorite flavored one, and it tastes so good. And the coffee that I've been using is, I've just still been using up my gingerbread coffee from Trader Joe's, their Christmas edition. I have probably like a week's worth left of coffee in here, maybe less if I do 2 a day, but yeah, gotta use it up, you know. Doesn't matter, it's not Christmas. I love this coffee. It's super smooth and yummy. Probably after this one, I'm gonna buy the wintry blend from Trader Joe's, I think, in the canister. And so even though I have a Keurig, I can save money and buy canister coffee because I have reusable K-cups. Fill it up, and then after my coffee's being done, usually later in the day or the next morning, I will empty it in the trash, rinse it out in the sink, and there we go. We have my K-cup full of coffee. So, and then the best milk I found for coffee is oat milk. I like either the Oatly one or Trader Joe's oat beverage. It's thicker, has a little bit more calories and higher fat than like almond milk, but I just think the creaminess is incomparable. So I normally don't do a full cup. I'll do either half a cup or maybe a fourth a cup, depending on if I froth the milk, all of that. If I'm feeling extra special, let's say I'm not doing the Vital Proteins one day, what I'll do is I'll froth the milk in my milk frother and add ground cinnamon and some vanilla flavoring to the coffee and the frothed milk, and that just makes it like a full-on vanilla cinnamon latte right here at home. So I love my coffee every morning. I take, you know, the good 5 minutes or whatever it takes to make it, just because it brings me so much happiness. So I'm gonna make that and then do my devotions. And I also love doing all this while in my robe, because it's just like feels so luxurious even on a 6:30 a.m. school morning. Oh, and I also do only 1 scoop of this per day. I don't do the 2 scoops, which is a full serving. Alright, I just made myself some breakfast. It's now 8:22 since I don't have class till 9:30. I eat breakfast now, but on days where I have an 8 a.m. class, I usually will make overnight oats or grab a granola bar, or I'll take a smoothie with me and eat after my first class, like in between my first and second, or in between my second and third class. So that's either at like 9 or 10, so I'll eat a later breakfast. But this morning I am having some rolled oats that I just cooked in the microwave in almond milk, topped with some almond butter, blueberries, cinnamon, and walnuts. Very excited to eat this while I plan out my day in my workbook. Let's see, I already have some stuff on my to-do list for today. It's Tuesday, so I'm just going to finish planning out my day by pretty much the hour, just like blocks of time, and then see if I have any time to do some work or read a blog, whatever I'm feeling, you know, can get straight into work or do a little bit more relaxing. So my hair is pretty much air dried, but something I like to do once it's kind of finishing up, right before it gets fully dry, is go through it with my Dyson Airwrap. Is that what it's called? Just kidding, not Dyson. That's not the tool I have. That's the tool I want. This is the Revlon like brush dryer. I don't know what the name is, but it's like $50 or $60. I got it after Christmas. Dry hose your hair so quickly, so smoothly, gives you that blowout look. But I found that when I was using it, every time I washed my hair and straight when my hair was wet, it just really damaged my hair. So that's why I've been trying to only do it once or twice a week, and also only do it after my hair is pretty much dry, just to give it a sleek finish. So I have some time. I'm gonna run my hair through this. My 6:30 a.m. mornings, I don't do it. That's why I have second day hair on my 6:30 a.m. mornings. finished hair. It just gives it a little bit more volume and sleekness. I need to get my ends trimmed soon, but as you can see, it just makes it super shiny and sleek. I have really been loving that product. And I also I watched a lot of tutorials, and I know it also works actually on like curly and wavy hair. So even though my hair is naturally straight, I've also seen it work on curly hair, which is super cool. So yeah, simple hair look, very easy. Here's my outfit of the day. I wore this same jacket I think in my fall morning routine, but it's very cold out, so I'm actually going to be adding this Topshop jacket on top because it's 30 degrees out. But this is like a pretty basic outfit, but black turtleneck with a little necklace. This jacket is from Princess Polly. My jeans are Madewell, just black skinnies, and then Doc Martens because these are like the warmest boots I have, and if it's icy out, they're the best option I have for walking in ice and cold. All right, guys, that is it for my spring semester 6:30, 7 a.m. morning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to know more of, since my mornings do change, what I eat for breakfast changes, all of that, then I try to do a week in the life, a college week in the life every other week on my channel. So I know I have one up right now you can go check out, and more will be coming. But yeah, I am going to head to class, probably listen to a podcast on the way. Love the AirPods. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what time you guys get up for class in the comments, or if you're not in college, just what time you get up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace out.